Welcome all my dear students to your maths online class. And I know you must have remembered that in my previous lecture, previous online class, I have explained you about how to multiply any number by 10 and by the multiples of 10. And according to that, I have given you few sums as an assignment to be solved. I hope you must have done it. So I am explaining the solution of that assignment. It is given in the PDF also. You can check it through PDF, and here practically I am solving it so that if you have not understood it previously, you can understand it right now. So see, first question which I have given was 16 multiplied by 50. So from this I told you that you have to draw the arrows. By drawing the arrows from here, you have to bring down 16, and from here you have to bring number 5. Then multiply it. After multiplying, you will get 16 into 5 is equals to 80. So you will get 80, and then you have to put this 0 after 80. So 800 is your answer of first part. Then in second part, the number was 111 multiplied by 700. From this 111, complete 111 will come down on, and from this 700, only number 7 will come down. Now multiply 111 by 7, so you will get 777, and then how many zeros are here? 2 zeros. So we will put now 2 zeros, and then it will be your answer. Then next part is 215 multiplied by 2000. So from here in first arrow 215 will come completely, and from the second arrow only number 2 will come. We will not take down the zeros. Now multiply 215 by 2. You can do the rough work separately. If directly you can multiply, then you can multiply directly. Otherwise, in rough work you can multiply it. So 2 5s are 10, 1 carry over, 0 down, 2 1s are 2 plus 1, 3, and 2 into 2 is equals to 4. So 430. So firstly you will write this 430 which we have got after multiplication, and then you have to put these 3 zeros. So 1, 2, 3. Then you can put the commas according to your Indian system. Okay. So this will be your answer. Then next, here 3 numbers are there. So 15 into 20 into 30. So from 15, complete 15 will come. From 20, only number 2 will come. And from 30, only number 3 will come. Then multiply it. 15 into 2 is equals to 30, and 30 into 3. So you know 30 into 3 is equals to 90. So you will write 90. Then see how many zeros are there in the question. 1 with 20 and 1 with 30. So 1 plus 1, 2. So we will put 2 zeros. So 9000 is the answer of fourth part. Then the last part, from 450 you have to take 45, from 20 you have to take 2, and from 30 you have to take only 3. That means you have to ignore the zeros, and without taking the zeros, other numbers you have to take down in next step. Now multiply these 3 numbers. Then 45 into 2 is equals to 90, and 90 into 3. In 90 into 3 also no, you can do directly like 9 into 3. So 9 into 3 is 27. Then put 1 0. So 270 we got here. Then how many zeros were there in the question? It is 1 with 450, 1 with 20, and 1 with 30. So total 3 zeros are there. So after 270 we will put 3 more zeros, and then you can put comma according to Indian system. So 2,70,000. So this is the solution of assignment 10, which you can see on the page number 1 of your PDF. You have to copy this solution in your maths practice notebook. Then today I will explain you about the fourth fundamental operation. Till now I have given you explanation related to 3 fundamental operation, that is about addition, subtraction, and multiplication. Now today I will explain you about the fourth fundamental operation, that is division. See, when we form equal group out of a certain number or share something equally among a given number of groups, then we divide. Whenever we have to divide the things equally among some number of persons or some number of group, then what we have to do, we have to divide it. If we have to equally distribute it, then we have to divided. Here you will learn about how to divide any number by 1-digit number, by 2-digit number and by 3-digit number. So in first example, I will explain you how to divide a number by 1-digit number, and here I have taken the example 6287 by 8. It is given in the PDF, but I am showing you how to divide it. So pay attention. First of all, for doing division, you have to see with which number we are dividing a given number. Like here, we have to divide 6287 by 8. So first of all, you have to frame the table of 8 in the rough work, because if you will frame the table, then it will be, division will be easy for you. So first of all, frame the table. Then we have to start our division. Firstly, see the first number. It is 6. So 8 comes in the table, 6 comes in the table of 8. No, 6 doesn't come in the table of 8. So we will be taking two numbers, that is 62. In the beginning, we can start with two numbers. So 62 comes in the table of 8. No, you can see that 62 doesn't come. So we have to take the smaller number than 62. So the smaller number than 62, nearest to 62 is 56. And 56 comes how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It comes 7 times. So this 7 we will put at the top, and below the 62 we have to put 56. Just circle this 56. It will clear you that you are using this 56 here. Now we have to subtract it. So 2 minus 6 is not possible. We will be taking help from this 6. So 6 will give borrow to 2. So 6 will become 5 and 2 will become 12. So 12 minus 6 will give you what? It will give you 6. And 5 minus 5 is 0. So no need to mention that 0. Now bring this 8 down nearby 6. So now our next number is 68. We have to search in the table of 8 that 68 comes. No, it doesn't come. But the nearest value to 68 is 64. And it comes how many times? It comes 8 times in the table of 8. So you will write this 8 at the top, draw a circle on this 64 and then use this 64 under 68. So I am writing here 64 and you have to subtract it. So 8 minus 4 will give you now 4. Then finally bring this 7 down. Okay. The division will only be completed when we will bring all the numbers which is given in the question one by one down. So now our next number is 47. Again, see in the table of 8 that 47 comes. No, it doesn't come. Smaller than 47, nearest to 47 is number 40. So make a circle on this 40 and it comes how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It comes 5 times. So you have to write number 5 at the top and 40 under 47 and then subtract it. So 47 minus 40 will give you 7. Okay. So here our division is completed because all the numbers which were there in the top, we have used it one by one. Now see student, after doing our division, we have to check it that we have done it correctly or not. And to check the solution of division, there is a formula. It is dividend is equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder. This is the formula to check your solution that it is correct or not. Or in the short form, you can write D is equals to D into Q plus R. This is our formula which you have learnt in your previous class also. Now the question is, what is dividend, what is divisor, what is quotient and what is remainder. So see student, in this question, this one, the number which we are dividing is called as the dividend. The number which we divide is called as the dividend. The result which we get at the top is called as the quotient. And the number with which we divide any number is called as the divisor. And the number which we get here after doing the division is called as the remainder. Okay, got it? So this is dividend, divisor, at the top quotient and downwards is the remainder. Now put these values in the formula which I have written here. So first of all, dividend. Our dividend is 6287. So here you have to write 6287 is equals to divisor. So divisor is 8 with which we are dividing. Quotient at the top I told you. So it is 785 plus remainder is 7. Okay. So like this you have to note it down. Now this 6287 will come as it is. Here you can see that in between these two numbers is the multiplication sign and in between these two numbers is the addition sign. So firstly we will do multiplication and then whatever result we will get after multiplying, in that we will add number 7. So see, firstly you have to multiply 785 by 8 in rough work. So see, the table of 8 is already written here. So 8 into 5 is equals to 40. 4 carry over, 0 down. 8 into 8 is 64. 64 plus 4 is equals to 68. 6 carry over, 8 down. 8 into 7 is 56 and 56 plus 6 is equals to 62. So after multiplying we got 6280. So you have to write here 6280. In place of 785 into 8 we have done multiplication. So we will write 6280. In this 6280 we have to add number 7 which is our remainder. So we will be adding number 7 to it. What we will get? 6287. See, 6287 was here and here also after adding we got 6287. So this is our left hand side and this is our right hand side. Okay, if you will put your hands here, so this is your left hand and this is your right hand. So this is called as the left hand side and this is called your right hand side. You can see that both the sides are exactly same, equal. So our answer is correct. We have done the division and that division is absolutely correct. We have checked it because we got in both the sides we got the same answer. Same, you can see the solution in your PDF also. Okay, but you are not supposed to copy this solution as I have told you in audio also. You are only supposed to copy the assignments in your practice notebook. So this was about the division of any number by a one digit number. Now in the next example I am teaching you about dividing any number by a two digit number, which you can see on page number 3 of your PDF. Okay, the solution is given in the PDF also, but you pay attention here. I am explaining you by solving here. So the second number is 74,565 divided by 28. In advance I have written the table of 28 here. Remember student, whenever you are dividing any number by the table of any other number, then you firstly frame the table of that given number. Okay, that means this is the dividend and this is the divisor. So always you have to write the table of the divisor. Here I have written the table of 28. Table of any number you can write simply by multiplying that number, like 28 into 128, 28 into 2, 56. So by multiplying like this you can get your table easily. Okay student, now see, we will again start our question solving by taking two numbers here. So 74, so check in the table, 74 comes, no it doesn't come. Smaller than 74 is 56, it is the nearest number to 74 and this 56 comes two times. So at the top I will write 2 and 56 I will write under 74. Now I will subtract it. After subtracting I will get here 18. You do subtraction, you will get here 18. Now bring this 5 down, 185. Now we have to check the number which is nearest to 185. So the number which is nearest to 185 is 168 and it comes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times. So 6 I will write at the top and 168 I will write here under 185. Again I have to do subtraction. So what I will do? I will take borrow. So 8 will become 7 and 5 will become 15. So 15 minus 8 will give you 7 and 7 minus 6 will give you 1. Now bring this 6 down, 176. 6. One by one, as I have told you, we have to bring all the numbers down which is there in the dividend. So now check the number which is smaller than 176. Again you can see that smaller than 176 is 168 only, and it comes 6 times. So again we have to write 6 at the top, and here again we will write 168. Now subtract it also. Then 6 minus 8 not possible. 6 will become 16 and 7 will become 6. So 16 minus 8 is equals to 8, and 6 minus 6 is 0. So no need to mention 0 here, and 1 minus 1 is also 0. So we will not write it. Now finally we will bring this number 5 down. So now our number is 85. Now find out the number which is nearest to 85. Either 85 or nearest to 85. So 85 is not there, but nearest to 85 is 84, and it comes 1, 2, 3 times. So at the top I will write 3 and down I will write 84. Now 85 minus 84 will give 1. Okay. Here our division is completed. Again remember, this is the dividend, this is the quotient, this is the divisor, and this is the remainder. So again we will check our solution that we have done it correctly or not. So the formula is dividend is equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder. This is our formula to check. So dividend is, what is the dividend? It is 74,565. So this I will be writing here 74565. Okay, towards the left hand side. Divisor is 28. So I will write here 28. Quotient is 2663. So I will write 2663. Plus remainder is only number 1. So I will write here number 1. Now you can see that you have to multiply 2663 by 28. So student, in the rough you can write 2663 multiply by 28. Now multiply it. As you have already learned about multiplication, so how to multiply? This is the multiplication by 2-digit number. So multiply it firstly by the table of 8. So 8 into 3 is equals to 24. Then 8 into 6 is equals to 48 plus 2 is equals to 50. So 5 carry over and 0 down. Then 8 into 6, again 8 into 6 is equals to 48, and 48 plus 5 is equals to 53. So 5 carry over, 3 down. Then 8 into 2, 16. 16 plus 5 is equals to 21. Now we have done multiplication by 8. Now we will be doing multiplication by 2. So put one multiplication sign here under 4 and start multiplying by 2. So 2 into 3 is equals to 6. 2 into 6 is equals to 12. So 1 in mind and 2 down. 2 into 6 again is equals to 12 plus 1 which was there in our mind is equals to 13. So 3 down, 1 again in mind. 2 into 2, 4 plus 1 which was there in our mind. So 5. Now add it. 4, 6, 5, 4, 7. So what we have got after multiplying? 7, 4, 5, 6, 4. So see student, here we will write the same number, that is 7, 4, 5, 6, 5. And this side after multiplying we have got 7, 4, 5, 6, 4. In this 7, 4, 5, 6, 4 we will add 1 which is our remainder. So 7, 4, 5, 6, 5 is equals to, when you will add 1 to it, what you will get? The successor. 7, 4, 5, 6, 4 plus 1 is equals to 7, 4, 5, 6, 5. Again you can see that LHS is equals to RHS. Left hand side is equals to right hand side. So our answer is correct. Okay. So this was division of any number by 2-digit number. Now in the third example, I am explaining you how to divide a number by a 3-digit number. So here our number is 624505, which you have to divide by 368. Here again you can see that I have framed the table of 368. So first of all you also have to frame the table of the divisor always. Okay. Then here we will not take 2 number because the divisor is of 3-digit number. So inside also we will be taking 3-digit. So we have to find out the number smaller than 624. So here you can see that the number smaller than 624 is 368 and it comes one time. So you have to write 1 at the top and under 624 you have to write 368. Okay, then subtract it. 4 will become 14, 2 will become 1, 6 will become 5 and 1 will become 11. So like this you will take the borrows, and then 14 minus 8 will give you 6, 11 minus 6 will give you 5 and 5 minus 3 will give you 2. Now bring this 5 down. One by one you have to take the numbers of dividend down. Now find the number 25 is smaller than 2565 or exactly 2565. So you can see that 2565 doesn't come in the table of 368. So we will be taking smaller number than that, nearest number. So that is 2208 and it comes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times. So 6 at the top and here we will write 2208. Then we have to subtract it. So 5 will become 15, 6 will become 5. So 15 minus 8 is equals to 7 and 5 minus 0 is equals to 5. Then 5 minus 2 will give you 3. Now we have to bring this 0 down. 3570. Now we have to search the number smaller than nearest to 3570 from the table of 368. So the nearest number is 3312 and it comes 9 times. So 9 we will write at the top and here we will write 3312 and subtract it. So 0 will become 10 and 7 will become 6. So 10 minus 2 is 8, 6 minus 1 is 5, 5 minus 3 is 2 and 3 minus 3 is 0. So we will not write that 0 and finally this 5 will come down. Now again the number smaller than 2585. So the number smaller than 2585 is 2576 and it comes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, it comes 7 times. So at the top we will write 7 and here we will write 2576. Now subtract it. 5 will become 15 and 8 will become 7. So 15 minus 6 is equals to 9. Here 7 minus 7 0, 5 minus 5 0, 2 minus 2 0. So no need to mention 0. So this is your dividend, this is your quotient, this is your divisor and this is your remainder. Okay. Then again you have to check your solution by putting the formula dividend is equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Then after checking you have to find out if both the sides are coming equal. That means your solution is correct. And this you can find on page number 4 of your PDF. You can see here page number 4. I have done the checking work. So the dividend was 624505. Dividend is 604505 which I have written here. Divisor is 368 multiplied by 1697 plus remainder is 9 or 09. So firstly you have to multiply 368 by 1697. This you can do in the rough work. After multiplying you will get the result as 624496. In this you have to add your remainder, that is 9. After adding this 9 to this multiplication, you will get 624505 which you will be writing right hand side. So you can see that both the sides are same, left hand side and right hand side is same. That means our solution of division is absolutely correct. Okay student, now you understood. So today I have taught you about the division topic, in which I have taught you about how to divide any number by a 1-digit number, then how to divide it by a 2-digit number and how to divide it by a 3-digit number. Remember that always you have to make the firstly table of the divisor with which you have to divide the dividend. Okay, and don't forget to do the checking work after the division, because by checking you will come on the conclusion that your solution is correct. And if suppose these both the sides are not matching, that means you have done some mistake in your division. That after that you can check your division. If it doesn't come same, no, then you can check your solution that you have done it correctly or not. So after understanding these three division example, just solve your day 11 assignment. In this, I have given you 3 questions to divide. You have to divide it and find the quotient and remainder, and also check your answer. That means you have to put the formula dividend is equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder and check it. So 3 questions are there. Try to solve it. Answer key of these 3 questions I will be giving you in my next video. Okay, so stay tuned for the next video. Till then, do revision and please don't copy the work of page number 2, page number 3 and page number 4. It is only for explanation. You have to copy the work of page number 1, which is the answer key of day 10 assignment, and then you have to copy the questions of day 11 assignment. Try to solve it. Answers you will be getting in the next video. So meet you all in the next video. Till then, take care of yourself. Thank you very much, students.